Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So as you know, today is day 3 of the 5 days of the AI Agents course, and you might have received the mail for the day 3 in which you have a link of the summary podcast, the white paper and the 2 code labs. We solved one code lab in our previous video, and now it's time to solve another code lab. So just click on the second code lab. So in the second code lab, you have to basically again export the Gemini API key as we did in our last video. So we'll just copy this command, paste it in the notepad, and we'll just replace your API key here with the API key of ourselves. So we go to the Google AI Studio, copy the API key, and we'll just replace the API key we have copied with here. Now we'll just copy this whole command. Now go to your start menu, type anti-gravity and open your anti-gravity IDE. In our previous lab we did the same thing using the terminal, but this time we're gonna do with anti-gravity IDE terminal. So as your anti-gravity ID terminal is open the new folder that you have just created. So I have created a new folder by the name of Kaggle D3. So I'll open that. So that's in my desktop code playground, and yeah, I will open this folder. I have just named it randomly as Kaggle D3. Now copy the custom command which you have wrote in your notepad, Control A and Control V, and hit enter. You can either create .env file or do this, but I found this step easy, so I'm doing this. I'm just giving the agent the command and it will automatically create .env file. Remember to just hit enter whenever it asks for any permission. It will automatically select yes. So now you can just directly go to step 4 and copy this prompt. So this prompt is basically for creating a project which is the weather assistant. If you read this prompt thoroughly, you will get to know what we are trying to do. So we'll just click on submit whenever it asks for any permission, and also just click on accept all whenever it tells you to accept any changes. I just didn't wanted to cut any part of the video, so I just fast forwarded it. So as you can see, it has created so many files on its own. Basically it's a whole project. So if you have joined this Agentic AI course in last November or December, you earlier you have to write this code by hand, but this time they have brought a complete revolution, as they state in their white paper, that you don't have to write the code, nothing, don't have to make several files. The agent will do it for you. So earlier this code has to be written by hand, and it was, believe me, so difficult just to get it to the ADK development environment. Okay, but this time you just have to give a simple prompt and it will automatically build. Now let me explain you a bit of the code if you're like new to this AI. So we are basically it has made basically the agent.py file which has all the agents listed. So we have one root agent which is named as the customer support agent, and then we have one decline mode. For example, if the customer query something which has to be declined, so this agent will get activated. As root agent is a workflow, so we have defined it like this, and the decline is basically an LLM agent, so we have defined it like that. You have to basically paste the command one by one. Once the current command has been executed, copy the sixth command, and when the sixth command has been executed, you just have to copy the seventh command, which is launching it in our local environment. So this is a prompt basically for launching it in our local environment. So we just copy it and paste it in our anti-gravity so that we can run our that ADK development kit in our local environment. So I will just paste that here and hit enter and wait for some time till the time it gets executed. As you can see, we have got the two links. One is for the playground UI and one is the local web server. You can open either of the one and you will end up in an interface like this. how cool it looks, no? So let's jump into our main task. Just copy this command and paste it here. And it would take like some time to get executed. Just wait for it. So after waiting for like 2 to 3 minutes, it will give us the reply. And see, it has given us the reply. Like first it has summarized what the user wants to ask, and then it will give us the reply. See, it has given us the detailed reply. So I'm testing just one command just to make sure that the video isn't longer. You can test all the other commands at your own pace. So now let's move into our next steps, which is basically telling your terminal to run the agent. So I'm just copying that command and pasting it here and let it do it work. So when our current command is finished running, you will receive this analysis of the run. This indicates that your current command has been run successfully. Now let's move on to the next step, which is basically the cleanup. You have made the application, you have tested it, you have done it all. Now it's time to basically clean up everything so that your local environment doesn't have unwanted resources. So I'm just copying the cleanup command, pasting it here just to delete the resources of from the local environment so that your local environment is not feeling heavy due to unwanted resources. So with this we have successfully finished our day 3 assignment. So what we have done, we have set up our tools, scaffold a project, analyze ADK 2.0, manage the local health by cleaning it and verifying the behavior. Now let's just verify whether our projects have been completed or not. Just click on this view profile pop-up and you can see the name of the code lab which you have completed in the list. So that's all for this code lab video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. So just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends when they are stuck with the problem, or help them complete their day 3 assignment smoothly. By the way, I made a dedicated playlist for this 5 days of the AI agents course, so that you are not finding the videos on my channel. You can just go to this playlist. You will find the explanation of all the white papers, assignment of all the days and solutions to your little problems. So meet you in the next code lab video. Till then, take care and bye bye. So let's keep this video in 2x just to save your time. And let the command show its magic. Now go back to a code lab.